Okay guys, we just rest stop here. I think we just pee and then another 2 hours to our next stop. Daddy is trying to play his toys. When mommy come back, we're gonna go. There she is. Let's go. Alrighty. That's traffic alert, but yeah, I know.
Costco gas station may close within 1 hour of when you arrive.
Multi-public yung ano niya, no? Yung bathroom. Walang lock. Ang dami nagba-bathroom eh.
24 hours?
Okay guys, you're gonna keep driving na. Alrighty, back in the road. Si Flappy hindi natin napaihi.
Gusto lang sa kabila niya.
Hindi napaihi si Flappy, nakalimutan namin. 2 hours. Okay guys, see you later.